Hello everyone, this is a tutorial on how to download Libby using your smartphone or tablet for people who have a card with Salem Public Library in Salem, Indiana. My name is Jessica and I will be helping you today. The first thing you'll need to do is go to your App Store. You'll see that I'm using an iPad, so my App Store icon looks like an A. I'll put a picture on the screen that shows you what the Google's Play Store icon looks like. Once we get here, we're going to go to our search engine and look up Libby. You'll see several pop up. I'm just going to choose the top one. And the app we want to download is the one that is called Libby by Overdrive. After it has downloaded, you'll want to go back to your screen and open it up. There will be a menu asking you if you have a library card or not. Since you do, you will choose yes. Then it'll give you some more options. You'll say, I'm going to search for a library. Type in Salem, Washington Township Public Library. You'll see one pops up that is called the Indiana Digital Download Center. Indiana Digital Download Center is the one that you want to choose. After this, it'll make you choose your location again. In this menu, we're just Salem Public Library. After that, you will type in your library card number. You will see that it has found my card. You can rename this card if we want, but we don't have to. After this, we will choose Next, and we will be able to look at all the different books that are in the catalog, and you are ready to download.